Hey, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. If you're not over the age of 18, go the fuck away. I don't want you there watching me. Nothing here for you. This channel is for people who are old and have more than half a brain. I'm not saying you young people don't have half a brain. I can't measure, so I will not make any claims one way or the other on that. Anyway, this channel is not for children. I had no children content, and other than once, when granddad would come to visit, there are no children on it. So, it's mini machining and some really dry, sarcastic adult humor. Like I said, nothing here for kids, so go away. Hey gang, Poppy here. Quick product review. Yesterday, you see that? Drill Hog brand number drills 1 through 60 arrived. And this is a preliminary product review. This is the number 1. It is something special. A high molybdenum alloy, we call M7. 3 chucking flats up here near this end. You see where my fingers are. And, well, these flutes, in 1972, I acquired a brand new set of Chicago lathe number drills. Brand new. They felt like the flutes on them were nice and smooth. They felt like Klingon poetry. I mean, Vulcan poetry, right? These babies, they are sharp. This is a Klingon weapon compared to the Chicago lathe number drills I got way long time ago. Oh, I'm hard on number drills. I still have most of that set of Chicago lathrobes, but rather than go through and sharpen some and replace the missing ones and all that, Drill Hog! High molybdenum alloy. They guarantee them for life. I hope I don't have to find out if I can break. I will use them, but I'm not going to try and break them. Later.